Are you looking for an elevated lifestyle, guard-gated community, top-rated schools, golf course living? Then you're gonna wanna see this. Welcome to this beautiful listing in Anthem Country Club. This primary bathroom has to be one of my favorite features. I absolutely love the natural tones, the lighting fixtures, and the enclosed shower. Wow, look at this beautiful loft. Unobstructed views of the Las Vegas Strip. I love this private balcony. It's perfect. I can envision myself sitting out here, having a noon tea, maybe late night coffee, late night wine. I absolutely love this fireplace. I can envision myself having late night movies with my kids, entertaining friends and family. It's just amazing. And in Las Vegas, especially for the summer, you have to have this. If you would like more information on this property or others just like it, please contact me. My information is below.